Okay, so have you ever been like at the laundromat and you're watching TikToks and YouTube shorts and drinking a Monster, just giggling to yourself, and then all of a sudden you just belch and you don't even realize you belch until you look up and you see the lady that's pulling your clothes out of the washer looking at you and you realize, oh fuck, I just burped. Excuse me, and start giggling and go back to your TikTok. Yeah. Fun days.